To keep YouTube TV from timing out, it is essential to understand the common causes of this issue and take steps to prevent it. The first step is to check your internet connection, as a slow or unstable connection can cause YouTube TV to time out. Ensure that your internet speed meets the minimum requirements for streaming YouTube TV, which is 3 megabits per second for standard definition and 13 megabits per second for high definition. Next, restart your device and router to refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. This can help to improve the stability of your internet connection and prevent YouTube TV from timing out. Additionally, check for any software updates for your device and YouTube TV app, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues and timeouts. Another key step is to clear the cache and data of the YouTube TV app, as accumulated cache and data can slow down the app and cause timeouts. To do this, go to your device settings, select the YouTube TV app, and choose the option to clear cache and data. This will help to improve the performance of the app and prevent timeouts. It is also important to disable any VPN or proxy settings, as these can interfere with your internet connection and cause YouTube TV to time out. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it and see if this resolves the issue. Furthermore, check for any issues with your device's operating system, as bugs or glitches can cause YouTube TV to time out. To prevent future timeouts, consider using a wired internet connection instead of Wi-Fi, as this can provide a more stable connection. You can also try closing other apps or background programs that may be consuming bandwidth and causing YouTube TV to time out. By following these steps and best practices, you can help to prevent YouTube TV from timing out and ensure a smooth and uninterrupted streaming experience. Regularly checking your internet connection, restarting your device and router, and keeping your software up to date can help to resolve and prevent timeouts.